So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these three questions to answer on the topic chemical equilibria. So guys, this video will be all about factors governing equilibrium position. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. Also, if at any point you feel you want to answer any question here in this video, you can always pause the video and try out to see if you can answer the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. So let's quickly start with the first question here. It says, in the reaction above, high pressure will favor the forward reaction because A. Reaction is in dynamic equilibrium. B. High pressure favors gas formation. C. The reaction is exothermic. D. The process occurs with a decrease in volume. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. And that's because the process occurs with a decrease in volume. So high pressure favors the forward reaction here because it occurs with a decrease in volume. This is actually seen here as a decrease in the number of moles of the gaseous species. So that translates to a decrease in the volume for this expression. So guys, that's the reason why high pressure will favor the forward reaction in this expression. So let's quickly look at the next question here, and that's question number 2. So question number 2 here says, in the above reaction, the forward reaction is favored by A. Increasing the pressure, B. Increasing the size of the containing vessel, C. Increasing the temperature, D. Adding a catalyst. So guys, here we can see this expression and we see that delta H is positive. So when delta H is positive, it means that this reaction is endothermic. So if it's endothermic, increasing the temperature will actually favor the forward reaction. And that's the answer to this question. So let's quickly check out the next and the last question here, and that's question number 3. So question number 3 here says, which of the following will increase the yield of R? So A is removing some S, B using a larger closed vessel, C increasing the temperature, D adding a positive catalyst. So guys, according to Le Chatellier's principle, if a dynamic equilibrium is disturbed by changing condition, the position of the equilibrium moves to counter the change. So guys, already we know this principle. So in this case now, removing some of the S here, which is actually at the product side, will shift the equilibrium to the right, increasing the yield of the product. So that's it by that, and the correct answer to this question will be option A here. If we remove some of the products here, which is S in this case, from the option here, it will cause an increase in the yield of R here from the product. So that's it guys, and that's the answer to this question. So this is where we end this video for today guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. We also want to encourage you guys to join our YouTube channel membership by clicking on the join button below. So thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.